Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. And on today's episode I'm going to show you the step-by-step method in making moi moi elewe, and that means this is from washing the beans to the end result, just as you're seeing it. Don't skip this video for anything. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here I have already soaked my beans and now I'm putting it into the blender just to crush it. People, watch this step. This is the easiest way you can wash your beans under 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, and this is just what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the push key to just do what? To just do this magic. Just do it and then just use the crush, and that is it. Crush and stop, and then you get what you want. And that's just how you're seeing it. Pour it into the bowl and then you do what? You wash. Let's dive into the washing part of it. I did this about 2 times and all the beans was ready to be washed. And here, people, you can see, add more water. You can see the shaft of the beans already coming out. The skin is already coming out, and that is what we are looking for. Raise your blender and then pour it into the bowl and make sure you get ready to wash. Just squeeze a little. I watch this about 3 to 4 times. Watch this process. Don't skip it for anything and you will thank me later. Keep watching, people. Now you can see this has been nicely washed, and now you're going to see the end result of what we have been talking about. Look at it, so clean and very easy to peel. If you enjoyed this, say I like this at this point. Okay, so here are the veggies I'll be using to blend this. I have my paprika, the yellow, the red, I have the ginger, I have the scotch bonnet pepper, I have the onions, and I also have the crayfish. In fact, I have the Maggi. I have everything to do what to make this blend a success. So that's just what you should know, and you can see how I'm doing that. Just gradually put it into your blender. Put as much as your blender can carry so that you get a nice and smooth blend. You can see how I'm using my hand to crush all of this because, people, there was no time to waste here. Remember, you're not skipping this video. Enjoy every part of it. I added in water. If you have your chicken stock or your beef stock, you can add it at this point. And you can see how I'm cleaning my station because it was looking like it was becoming messy and I could not stand the look. Here is the crayfish I also added. In fact, add anything you think you want to add. I also added in fresh eggs, yes, to give it that smooth taste or smooth look at the end. So enjoy this part of the blending and I'll be back. Now you can see it has been blended to smoothie, and now you can see me switching off my blender and then taking this down. Just pour it into a bowl. Look at how it's looking. That is the actual texture or consistency we are looking for. So blend the other batches and then just add in what you've added in the first one. You cannot add in your Maggi and any other thing you think you should add, and then pour in water, very little quantity, and then you can blend just as I'm doing it. So at this point, like this video, share, don't forget to comment at the end, and in case you're new, this is the right time to hit the subscription button. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be alerted anytime I upload new and interesting videos just like this. Yes, so can you see how this is going? Very nice, very smooth, and I know someone out there is already sharing and sharing. This is the 3rd batch of the blending process. I added in the seasoning cube here, and I also added in 2 fresh eggs. Okay, and that was how this part was blended. Did you understand? That means I used 2 fresh eggs to make this my delicious 1 kg of moi moi. Yes, so that's what I used in making this recipe. So all has been blended here. So I'm adding in the shrimp powder. As you can rightly see, you can see the ewe there, the ewe that we are using. That is the moi moi leaf, nicely cleaned. And I added in the shrimp powder right now. And I'll also be adding in the chicken spice into this as well. Okay, that is the chicken stock spice I also showed to you. I'll be putting that as well. And also, people, I'll be adding in words. I'll be adding in my nutmeg and also the white pepper, and I also added in salt. So keep watching and watching and watching. Don't skip this video. Remember, all list of ingredients will be in the description box. At your convenience, make out time to go through it and make use of it judiciously. Did you see how I'm adding in all the ingredients lightly and sparingly? That is it. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and make sure you do this gently so that it doesn't splash on you. Yes, mix until you notice that everything has been nicely combined, and then you add in your vegetable oil. You can see how I'm adding in that, and that is just it. Look at how this is looking. This batter is so smooth and ready to go. Tell me how you love your moi moi. Do you love the moi moi you lay away, or you like it in the nylon, or you like it in the foil, or you like it in the bowl, or you like it in that milk container? Those days, yes. Which pattern of moi moi do you love most? Let me know that in the comment section. And which one do you think is the safest to eat? Also let me know that in the comment section, which is the answer section. So make sure you test for salt. I did that, and I said like this video, and I added in my mackerel. That is the last thing I'm adding, so that I just mix it and mix it and start scooping it into the leaf. Yes, let me tell you, if you don't know how to wrap moi moi in the leaf, learn a little from here, though most of the clips went up, but this is just a bit of it as I'm just showing you. And then you just form the cone, and then look at the hole in between, scoop it into it, and then you seal. It's as simple as that. Just enjoy every bit of this video, and remember, this is the best online. Yes, because it is a step by step. I didn't do much skipping in this. I didn't do much editing in this, and that's because I want to give it to you raw, as you can rightly see. So here it is. I'm just folding that. Oh my god, you might not see the whole clip, but that is how this video was covered. I folded, and this is the end result of the folding, and I scooped again. So most of these scooping things were done behind camera because it would have stayed longer. When I noticed that my moi moi leaf was not going to be enough, I introduced the pouch. That is the moi moi pouch, and I hope somebody out there will be loving to see that as well. This is it, people. Yes, because I see that I'm running out of the leaf. I needed one to cover on top of the part, and now I have to use the pouch to do the rest, and that is just it. Enjoy every bit of this, and remember, boil your hot water at this point because you are starting the cooking with it. Look at how the pouch is looking. Isn't this calling you as well? That is it, people. And now you can see that is the end of the whole scooping. And now I see it with the moi moi leaf. And now we get ready to cook. If you're ready, I am ready. So, but remember, at this time I've already added in my water, the hot water, so that it starts cooking immediately. And please remember, this has to steam. You don't need high heat to cook your moi moi, so make sure you do it as it should do it. And now, people, you can see when the leaf has changed its color, just check it out, because that means the moi moi is almost cooked. That is the one in the leaf is just as ready as it should be. So look at it, people. I boiled this for almost 35 to 40 minutes, and this is the result. Everything looks very ready and good to go. So I'm just taking that out one by one, as you can see. Enjoy every bit of this. Remember, this is also called beans pudding, and it can be served with your gari in the summer and your pap or your pudding in the winter. Did I get you there? Yes, I love gari with moi moi, and I also cherish it with pudding. And some people also eat it with agidi, though I've never tried that aspect before, but they say all looks delicious. Anyways, eat it as you desire. You can also use it as a side dish in your jollof rice, in your fried rice, any which way it goes. And that is just it. Enjoy this video, because you see when I open up and then you see the end result, and then you will know that moi moi elewe is elewe. This is interesting. I enjoyed this moi moi to the fullest, and the household, they actually enjoyed it. Anyone that came around that time enjoyed it, and that is just it. And people tell me you'll be making moi moi elewe at home, and you will definitely give me a thank bar, because this was totally delicious and worth the time in it. I know you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave a resounding comment, and also don't forget to like, don't forget to share, subscribe in case you're new, turn on the post notification bell, because it is all worth it. And this is it, people. So at this point, you can allow your moi moi to cool, but I was unwrapping mine while it was hot, and that is because I wanted to end this video as fast as possible, because it was dinner time and dinner was calling. So people, look at it. I couldn't even wait to finish unwrapping. I was already tasting it. Oh my god, the elewe gave the moi moi its own taste, and that is just it. The ewe itself twisted the whole thing in this my recipe, and people, it was delicious. Remember, there's this aroma that comes with that leaf that you cannot resist in this recipe, and that is the deal. Look at it, people. Look at it. I'm just doing this for my presentation so that you see the end result. There was no time to come and bring the gari or the pudding to come and show you with this, but people, this is the end result. Check out how the pouch on was looking too. It all came out so nice and delicious. So everyone, thanks for watching up to this time, and my new subscribers, I appreciate you all. So on a good and pleasant note, people, it will be a great pleasure to have all your beautiful and gorgeous looking faces in the next episode of Mom Essy Kitchen and More. Remember, I love you all, but in all, God loves you most. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.